How to find hidden files on Windows 11. Hidden files are files that are not normally visible in Windows File Explorer, but they can be important for system settings and application configuration. So let's get started. To find hidden files on Windows 11, open File Explorer. And click on the View tab in the ribbon. Then navigate the cursor on Show. Then select on Hidden Items. Now hidden files and folders will be visible in Windows File Explorer. To find hidden files on Windows 11, open File Explorer and navigate to the folder where you think the hidden file is located. Hidden files will appear with a faded appearance, making them distinguishable from regular files. You can also use the search bar in File Explorer to search for hidden files by name or extension. After you have found the hidden files you need, you can hide them again. Tap on View option, put the cursor on Show, then again select on Hidden Items. That's it. By following these steps, you can easily find hidden files on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our Tutorial River channel for more videos.